Hello, I'm Olena. I'm welcoming you back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my new bracelets. You might have noticed I wasn't very active here for some time. Even so, I was slowly working on my jewelry. That was mostly because of a health issue I had. I went through treatment and had to cancel all my participation in festivals and markets, but now I'm recovering and I'm back to creating jewelry again. Oh, and one more thing, I wanted to share some exciting news. Yesterday I published my new book, DIY bestseller, How to Write, Publish and Market Your Book in AI Era. And guess what? I've already sold 20 copies in just one day, so you can find the book on Amazon. If you're thinking about writing your own book, especially something about art or jewelry making, I really encourage you to try. So today I'll show you how I created these new pieces. One of them is a knitted bracelet. I used felt on the other side and I think it turned out beautiful. Instead of using buttons, I used some beads and some strings. This one is already finished. I have some leftover pieces from knitting and I'm still planning to make more. I'm using different types of beads for decoration. One of the bigger pieces is going to be a choker. I'm combining different kinds of beads. Some are just leftovers and others are from shops like Temu.com. They have beautiful and affordable beads. I also love using sparkly flowers beads. You can add beads of different sizes to make it even more interesting. I find it very convenient to use felt underneath, and I have many different colors of felt. I use them depending on the design. Then there's another one, very elegant, also with glass beads instead of buttons. The problem is I don't have many kinds of buttons at the moment, so I'm reusing what I have. The one came out really neat and clean. The idea was pretty simple. I used the beautiful ribbon, which you can usually buy by the yard. I still have enough for at least 4 more bracelets. At first I wanted to add more beads, but then I realized it's already beautiful on its own. Sometimes less is more. So I decided to leave it as it is. To make something like this, you need a ribbon, and for the back side you can use felt or leather. For example, you can cut about 19 or 20 centimeters of ribbon and do the same for the backing. Leather is also an option, but felt works really well. I also used these shiny crystals that come in a chain. I bought them on Temu.com. They're not expensive, maybe 3 or 4 Canadian dollars per roll, and they look amazing. I sewed them along the edge using silk threads. But you can also use fishing line around 0.5 millimeters in diameter. I use a fishing line a lot for decoration because it's strong and invisible. Since I didn't have any buttons left, I used beautiful glass beads for closure. They're very nice, and I attach them with a stretchy thread. I made one mistake. I forgot to place the closure between the two layers before decorating. I was planning to add metal buttons later, but I didn't have any, so I just used what I had. Still, it came out really nice. The colors are amazing, and I love how simple yet elegant it looks. And that's not everything. Let me show you more of what I made in the last 2 days. I found some super cute wooden beads. I'm an animal lover, and I have a husky, as some of you know from my early videos. I made beautiful earrings using different kinds of beads, including sets with little paws. I even made 3 types of matching earrings. Some have a very simple design, but they are still very cute. I also found ones with paw prints and made bracelets to match. I use different earrings hooks to give variety. And then I found lamp-shaped beads. Yes, lamps. I love lamp so much, and the earrings turned out adorable. I also made little dog earrings. They are super cute and lightweight, probably made of plastic. Then I found this amazing bed shaped like shoes or boots, cowboy boots. They are so beautiful. I just added silver hooks and they were ready. I love them. That's part of my new collection. I also found some really unique and classy beads shaped like little bags. I made earrings out of them too. They are very original. I even have more in white and other colors. I just couldn't stop creating. I really think these are amazing earrings. That's it for today, and if you like my video, feel free to leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think. I have so many ideas and I'll be back with more videos soon. See you next time. Bye.